Hi, this is teacher Punita. Okay, today teacher is going to talk about Florence Nightingale. She's also known as the lady with the lamp. Okay, in the dark of war, one woman with a lamp saved thousands. Okay, Florence Nightingale, year 1820 to 1910, was a British nurse. Okay, statistician and social reformer, best known as the founder of modern nursing. Okay, 1860, she opened Nightingale Training School for nurses in London. Okay, the quote she said was, "I never gave up, took any excuses." You get something out of this? So she was a one time famous person way back before, and it's written in history. Okay, thank you very much. This is teacher Punita signing off. Don't forget to click all the 5 buttons on the right hand side. Okay, thank you.